How to turn off liquid glass on iPhone. First of all, let's open an app folder on iPhone, and here you can see the liquid glass transparency effect in the background. Now let's reduce this transparency effect. Let's navigate and open settings menu. From the settings app, find and tap on accessibility. Here open display and text size. Now turn on the reduce transparency option. As soon as you enable it, let's go back, and if you open the folder again, you can see that the liquid glass transparency effect is reduced on the screen. You can also customize the appearance even more. Simply press and hold anywhere on the screen for a moment. Then from the top left, tap on Edit, and after that tap on Customize. From the bottom menu, you can select a theme according to your preference or adjust the colors to further reduce the transparency effect. And that's it. This is how you can turn off liquid glass on iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.